back from the vinyl shack. Hello! Today, we've got a special surprise for all you music lovers out there. Whether you're slapping the bass, banging the drums, or playing a sexy saxophone, we got you covered. From the magical sounds of the Hawaiian ukulele, all the way to the monstrous metal riffs of the electric guitar, we've got everything you need and more to turn up the volume on the cool factor for your instrument. Today, I'll be using some Easy PSV to add a totally tubular tiki man to the back of my uke, alongside some dope decals on the front. A PSV comes in a wide variety of colors, including glow-in-the-dark and glitter, but I'm going to be using some PSV Ketchup Red to put the iconic Metallica logo on my electric guitar. So, take my hand. We're off to Never Never Land. You gonna get that? Oh yeah. I got it. To get started, I'm going to be using some blue grid clear transfer tape. The blue grid lines are going to help me line up my design. So I'm just going to peel this off and cover the entire image with it. Make sure it's on there good. PSV is a pressure sensitive vinyl, which means the harder you press on it, the more likely it is to stick to whatever you're putting it on. Pull it off slowly, make sure we're getting the whole thing. So now our logo is ready to go. Alright, so we're about ready to stick it on, and as I just said, this is a pressure sensitive vinyl. So once we get it on there, we're going to really want to make sure we've got it stuck down. Take our squeegee. Really make sure there's no air pockets left in there. I think this is going to look really good. And again, this is the Easy PSV Ketchup. There we have it. It looks really good. Today I'll be using some blue grid to take this PSV white cloud and stick it on my ukulele. The good thing about blue grid is it has these little blue grids, so I can really match up where it's going to go on the uke. The thing about Easy PSV is you really want to press hard to get it stuck to the transfer tape. So if you look closely
at this paper, you'll see where the paper is getting ripped up. So what happens is, whenever your cutter is too sharp, it'll cut out pieces of the paper and they'll stick to the PSV. The best way to get across that is just to go in with your weeding tool and take off the paper off the PSV and peel it back just like you would if you were weeding out some easy weed. The reason why we peel really close down towards our instruments and try to pull it as straight back as possible is because it gives the Easy PSV a good chance to stick down really hard to its surface. I'll be reusing this to apply the other pieces of vinyl. So right now what I'm trying to do is go back over this design because it was a little bit too big for my ukulele, and with this X-Acto knife go and cut out around so I can get it to fit my ukulele exactly how I want. Hey guys, if you'd like to buy a cool looking Siser squeegee, then we'll link that down in the video for you guys. I already took the liberty of putting this floral pattern on here, and so I'm gonna save the best part for you guys, the slow peel. So whenever I see people slow peel, a lot of people try to peel it like way up here. The problem with that is you'll end up pulling off some of the PSV vinyl too. So the best thing to do is to pull it really close down to your surface so it gives the PSV the best chance of sticking. And if it doesn't stick the first time, just push it down, smooth it out a little bit more, add a little bit more pressure, and you'll get it on there, I promise. Oh. Just like that. Beautiful. Oh. We're going to save this because these are reusable. So we'll save that right there for a rainy day. And here comes this one. Nice and easy. Okay, there's that. We have a rockin' uke right here. Little tiki head for you guys on the back. Alrighty.
So, now that both of our designs are done, you can really see the great results you can come to expect when using this line of Siser PSV product.
I'm absolutely astonished with how my ukulele turned out.
Awesome.
The best thing about PSV is it's easy to apply, it looks amazing, and just like everything here at Brilliant Vinyl, it's affordable. So the colors I got to use were ketchup, coral, teal, and dandelion. And then on the back, to make my Tiki Man, I used white cloud.
That's awesome, man. I also use ketchup for mine.
Heck yeah, man, that looks awesome.
So, thanks for hanging out with the Brilliant Bros. Coming at you back from the Vinyl Shack. We'll see you guys next time.
Alright, Brilliant Gang. Now, it's that part of the video where I like to calm down and play some nice, chill music. So, I'm going to play this song that I made just for you guys at home called My Heart and Soul. It's because I put my heart and soul into everything that I do. Watch this, people.
Be sure to check us out on Facebook and Instagram and check out our website at brilliantvinyl.com. Oh, yeah.
Hey man, I think we need to call
I think we're
somebody.
stuck. Guys, it's actually stuck.
No longer a part of the video. We are genuinely stuck.
I cannot get out. Please help.